Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this cute sleek bob for my friend using some old tattered hair. So if you're interested, keep on watching.
S-Bling on the track.
So this is the hair that we're going to be using. I'm not even sure where this hair is from. I don't remember what hair company I got it from, but it is about, I think, 2 years old. And as you can see, the hair is pretty messed up. Like, the frontal is a whole mess. It's balding. The hair is tangled. But we're going to revive his hair. That's what the purpose of this video is. I'm going to show you guys that you can use old hair and make it new again. So save your coins and just watch this video to see how I'm going to, revamp this hair. So once I construct the wig, this is how it looks. I didn't film how I make the wig because I already have a video on my channel on how I make my wigs. So I'll link that down below if you're interested to see how I make them. And then as well as how I revive the hair, I already have a video on my channel as well on how I revive old hair. So I'll link that down below as well. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and start the customization process. So I was going for a middle part, so right here I'm just parting my hair down the middle, trying to make sure that it's lined up correctly. And then I'm going to go in with some mousse and flatten the hair at the top, as well as use a hot comb to flatten the hair even further. So next I'm going in with this leg spray by Sally Hansen. This is in the color Medium Glow. And this is just a good product to use if you don't feel like bleaching the knots on your lace. To me, it achieves the same things. It conceals the knots. So I like using this when I don't feel like bleaching the knots on my lace. So next I'm just going in and customizing the hairline. I'm going in and creating some baby hairs and just plucking the hairline to make it look more natural. And one tip that I wanted to mention to you guys that I forgot to mention earlier, the reason why I decided to part the hair in the middle is because, as you saw in the beginning, the frontal was originally parted to the side, and that's where it was balding. So I decided to just go with the middle part, that way I can conceal that balding area. So definitely play around with your frontals. I mean, you have a lot of parting space with frontals, so use that to your advantage. So next I'm going to go ahead and cut the hair. If you've seen my Pink Mill Bob video, I'm pretty much going to cut it the same way. I'm just clipping where I want to have the hair lay, and I will go ahead and proceed with cutting it with my shears.
S-Bling on the track.
So right now I'm just shaping the wig even further, and then in the next clip you'll see how I'll style the wig on my friend Yuzi. Hey Yuzi girl!
S-Bling on the track.
It's recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, put it on.
Hi guys. Let me introduce myself. So my name is Yuzi. Follow me on Instagram, Sela, se.lah.
Yeah, for her information.
She never introduced me. That not her. I have to introduce myself.
So as you can see, even though this wig was not made for her head, it still fits her pretty well. So once it's on, I'm going to go ahead and proceed with laying the wig. But you're going to see how we had to improvise laying this wig down.
You ever blow dry it? No. Then, you know I'm not. You ever have a blow dryer? No, I've never had one. Why? I always use speakers. I've only used a blow dryer once myself. That's good. Well guys, I guess we're gonna have to record this another day. No, make it work. See this one though. And then the girl will be flying up like this. The baby ears will be flying up like a bastard. No, we just have to use my hands. I thought you were gonna say your breath. I was like, and it hasn't gotten to that topic.
Yeah, so as you guys saw, I forgot my freaking blow dryer at home. So after spraying the Got2b spray on her hairline, I had to use this fan to pretty much, you know, dry the spray to make it tacky. So after securing the wig the best I could with what I had, I proceeded with straightening the hair.
S playing on the track.
Now I'm just going in with my mousse to lay down the baby hairs as well as the hairline, and then I'll also use my hot comb to secure the hairline even further, and then from there I should be done styling the hair. So you guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Clearly my girl Yuzi is feeling herself. But yeah, this was just a quick video to show you how you can take some old hair and make it new. So I hope you found this video helpful. Remember to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll stick with you guys in my next video. Bye.